in Pasuk Tes, there begins the story of the complete downfall of the Aseret HaShvut. We had that, but we have to a little bit go over, and because we left in the midst. L'ritfo es ma'azeo, she will pursue her lovers, the Aseret HaShvutim, this is the northern kingdom, and they like especially the neighboring nations. They will call her lovers, and she will run after them. In times of need, she will not be able to reach them. And then there comes a moment of Hirut Teshuvah. This is the whole description of the eventual downfall. Eventually, the 10 tribes will be beset by enemies from all sides. Then they will say, I shall go back to my first husband, meaning to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Kitov li os me'oto. Not because of the real Hirut Teshuvah, only it was better when we still kept the old-time religion than before we turned modern. I mean, this is not actually a real Hirut Teshuvah. Kitov li os me'oto. It was better in the olden days, didn't have so many troubles, but so what happens? Immediately, there is a response by HaKadosh Baruch Hu. Immediately, HaKadosh Baruch Hu will make, first of all, the crop grow again, and the fields will yield fruit. And so to show them, to encourage them, they do teshuvah.